Hey guys, welcome to Bike Life with Rob. I am Rob. In front of me there is Rob, and this is our last day at Oak Mountain.
We got a stream crossing.
We had thought we'd hit all the trails, or almost all of them, but we were wrong. There definitely were a lot more trails for us to hit.
Ooh, another one. Woo! Kill that creek. Yeah. It's pretty steep. The bikes. Yep. Rob's a ninja. Takes his hat off because he's getting hot and puts it all back on while he's riding his bike. That right there, that's the big boy shit.
The trail we were on here is called the Red Road. It had quite a bit of climbing, not anything too terrible, but it was fun. And then you get to some downhill.
Nice jump. Yeah, big boy light.
If you're driving through Alabama, hit up Oak Mountain. It has something for everyone. We had hit Jekyll and Hyde the day before, but we were mistaken. So we made our way over today, this day, and gave it a whirl. We didn't fare so well at the beginning. It's kind of technical, and being from Michigan, we don't see this kind of stuff.
Gotcha. Nice job.
We both had our moments of tipping over.
Oh, I did a burnout on that route.
And we also both had moments where we surprised ourselves getting over things.
Good. Oh, doesn't look easy. That was a good move.
I really wish I would have brought my full suspension bike. The problem was we left during a blizzard and there was salt all over the roads, and I didn't want my bike on the back of the car exposed to all the salt. Since that bike is a little more expensive, I opted to bring the hardtail, which was pretty rough at Oak Mountain. In Michigan, you can pretty much ride any trail in the Lower Peninsula on a hardtail. So this was definitely an eye-opening experience.
Red Bull Rampage, here we come! Woo!
I've never had my hands and forearms so fatigued from all the jarring and braking and bumping from the downhill sections. So next time I definitely want to have my full suspension so I'm able to rip down a little faster.
Yeah! Yeah! Is that milk? Someone, a little bit of milk? Yeah, buddy. Whoa, buddy! Whoa! It's a roller coaster ride. Yeah! Oh, fuck yeah. Man, we decided to do this one. Ah! Ooh, watch out for the toad.
This lower section of Jekyll and Hyde was so much fun. We decided to turn around and we rode straight back up to come straight back down. 2 times. It was a blast. It was more fun the second time because you knew the corners a little better and what was coming up, so we got to go a little faster. As always, thanks for riding with us today. It was fun at Oak Mountain State Park in Alabama. Make sure you get there, as it is amazing. We'll check in next time. Hope you enjoyed the video.